Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Tejan Singh. I gave this year's NEET PG exam and got an All India rank of 108. I'd like to share some of my preparation journey with you. First of all, I'm from 2018 batch and I did my MBBS from KMC Patiala. During my MBBS, I was a pretty average student. Not a topper, not a gold medalist, nothing like that. But I did like to read textbooks. Then, during my internship, I did prepare, I did study, but I did it very haphazardly. I did not know how to consolidate. I could not revise, that's why. And basically, I was scared of doing GTs as well. As a result of which, I got an All India rank of 39K in 2024 NEET PG exam. For somebody like me, who had saved pretty decent thing before that, it was a major setback for me. But I knew I hadn't given it my all yet, and I knew what lay in front of me. So I took a week or two off to reset my mind in the charge, and then I got on with my preparation. Basically, during my internship phase, I got to know about PPR pretty late in my preparation. But what honestly fascinated me the most was the fact that how can one person be teaching all 19 subjects at once? So after the results came, I purchased PPR and I started my reflection. Then one fine day, as I was scrolling Instagram, I came across this post which showed that there is one offline boot camp happening in Greater Noida, conducted by none other than Zainab ma'am. So that day, me and my family, we made an impulse decision that I'll be attending this boot camp, and I consider that particular day to be the turning point in my preparation, because it was an impulse decision, but it just felt right that this is exactly what I needed. And the day I entered Vidya Jeevat, it just reaffirmed that. So I went to the boot camp, and as the boot camp started, the energy was so good, so positive, yet competitive in the best way. And the way Zainab was teaching with such energy, with such passion, and that hard work we would say, it made me feel like this could be fun. I don't have to take it as a burden. So I started studying with that mindset, and shortly after, I came in contact with Ravi sir, which was one of the best things that could have happened to me in my preparation. I have discussed my academic doubts with him, my anxiety issues with him, and even my family issues. He was there for it all. This boot camp, which was meant to happen till February, by stay was extended till July, till the end of July, for all flying P&D programs, and I cannot be more grateful for that. And
Yeah.
during my time with Vidya Jeevan, I got the study material I needed, I got the timetable I needed, I got the motivation, the guidance that I needed. All I had to do was just show up. And at the end, that's all that mattered. Thank you.